Hi friends, the story coming to A Rising in the Sun, written by Lorraine Hansberry. His biography and character list summary, Mama views about her family and critical analysis is coming in this story. Main characters is the Mama, Lena Mama, and around of the story Mama, and critical analysis is Hans Berry is very good writer and playwright also stage writer. In this story coming to his biography, name Lorraine Hansberry, born in May 1930 in Chicago, US, died, died January 12, 1965 at the age of 34 in the New York, US. Occupation playwright, writer and stage writer. Nationality American. Education University of Wisconsin Madison the school and works. And first one is A Rising in the Sun 1959, A Rising in the Sun screenplay 1961, and third one The Drinking God 1960, and fourth one What Users Are Plots 1962, fifth one The Arrivals of Mr. Togo, parody of Writing for Godot, sixth one The Movement of documentary of struggle for equality in 1964, and seventh one The Sign in Sydney Grestin's window in 1965. And he is main playwright and writer, stage writer. In the first works, the first work in this story, A Rising in the Sun, and The Drinking God is also very interesting, and the Arrivals parody is also good. Coming to character list, first one is in the main character in the story, Lena Younger Mama, the mother of Walter Lee and Benita, mother-in-law of Ruth and grandmother of Travis. Walter Lee Younger, son of Lena, brother of Benita, husband of Ruth. Benita Younger, daughter of Lena Younger. And fourth character is Walter's wife, Ruth Younger. Travis Younger, the 10 years old son of Walter Lee and Ruth Younger. Joseph Asengai, Benita's suitor, ante Benita's at marriage. Like summary and introduction. In this play tells the story of lower class black families struggles to gain middle class acceptance. Total around of the story middle class acceptance and their struggles in social welfare, socials, authorities, and like they updated. Okay, coming to story. When the place opens, Mama, the 60-year-old mother of the family, is waiting for a $10,000 insurance check from the death of her husband, and the drama will focus primarily on how the $10,000 should be spent. And yes, the son Walter Lee Younger is so desperate to be a better provider for his growing family that he wants to invest the entire sum in a liquor store with of his friends. The objects mainly ethical reasons. She is vehemently opposed to the idea of selling liquor. Minor conflicts erupt over their disagreements. Okay, in this story, Mama views when Mama decides to use part of the money as down payment on a house in a white neighborhood, her conflict with Walter escalates and causes her death anguish in an attempt to make things right between herself and her son. Mama entrusts Walter Lee with the rest of money. He immediately invests secretly in his liquor store scheme, believing that he will perhaps quadruple his initial investment. And one of Walter Lee's prospective business partners, however, runs off with the money, a loss which tests the spiritual and psychological mettle of the family member. After much wavering and vacillating, the younger decides to continue with their plans to move in spite of their financial rivals. and despite of their having been warned by a weak representative of the white neighborhood that blacks are not welcome. That blacks are not welcome. Okay, in the story Benita views, in the story Benita becomes distraught at the loss of the money. She is upbraided by Joseph for her materialism. Then finally she accepts his point of view that things will get better with a lot of effort, along with his proposal of marriage and his invitation to move with him to Nigeria to practice medicine. And critical analysis. Coming to Hansberry, recognition of the close relationship between art and propaganda is the reason she chose the environment of the powerless as a backdrop for her work about American culture. Hansberry chose as the voice of her theme a black family, but she also retained information about Africa throughout the fabric of her play. Mainly though, her most stable character Asangai Benita Suter from Nigeria, Jones Asangai. In this story, Lena was totally thinks about her family and her daughter's education and her marriage accept, but her son was not understand their activities, their things and their ideas, her ideas. Why uh, why Walter sees only ideas for only eventual the secret of ideas in this story. Finally, she was very disappointed. Lena is spent money of $3,000 at the her Benita's education and Benita's marriage proposals and etc. But finally their loss of money. And friends, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, thank you.